Tired of your WhatsApp marketing campaigns falling flat because your contact list is a jumbled mess? In this video, we'll show you how to create a perfectly formatted CSV file for Aisensy, ensuring smooth contact uploads and laser-focused campaigns. Let's get started. First, open your preferred spreadsheet software like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. The key is to create specific columns with the right headers. The first column must be labeled phone. Enter your contact's phone numbers here, without any spaces, hyphens, or plus signs. Include the country code at the beginning. For example, if you are in the US, the number will look like 1 followed by the 10-digit phone number. Next, create a name column. This is where you'll input your contact's first and last names. You can also include an email column for storing email addresses. This isn't mandatory, but it's helpful for segmenting and personalizing your outreach. Now for the awesome part, Aisensy allows for custom fields. You can create columns labeled Custom 1, Custom 2, Custom 3, and so on to store any additional information you need. This is perfect for things like birthdays, purchase history, or any other relevant data to personalize your messages. Fill in all the rows with your contact details, being careful to keep the data accurate and consistent. Once you've entered all your data, it's time to save the file as a CSV in your spreadsheet program. Go to File, then Download, and select comma-separated values CSV. Now, head over to your Aisensy account and navigate to the Import Contacts section. Upload your newly created CSV file. Aisensy will then prompt you to map the columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields within the platform. Double-check that everything is correctly aligned. And that's it. With a properly formatted CSV file, your contacts will be imported smoothly and efficiently, giving you a head start on crafting effective WhatsApp marketing campaigns. Happy messaging!